tell you something very important. Most beginner traders don't lose money because of strategy. They lose money because they don't understand margin. And when you don't understand margin, you can destroy your trading account very quickly. That is why this lesson is extremely important. Today, we are breaking down Margin Trading 101. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. Trading involves risk and you can lose money. Never trade the money you cannot afford to lose. The goal of this video is to help you understand margin trading before risking your real money. Now, let's get started. In this video, here are the things that we are going to learn. What margin trading is, how your trading account actually works, what is balance, equity, and free margin, what is a margin call, what a stop out level is, and how traders accidentally blow their accounts. If you skip this lesson, this actual lesson, your account will definitely pay the price. So let me simplify everything to you in a layman language. Margin trading allows you to control a larger trade with a smaller amount of money. Let's say you want to open a trade worth of $10,000, but you only have $100 in your account. Your broker allowed this through something that we call leverage and margin. Margin is simply the money your broker requires to open and maintain a trade. Think of margin as a security deposit. You are borrowing trade power, but you must maintain enough fund in your account. This is powerful, but also dangerous, because while profit can grow faster, losses can also grow faster too. Your account balance is the amount of money in your trading account when there are no open trades. For example, you deposit $500 and your account balance is equals to $500. If you choose to close a trade with profit, your balance increase. But if you close a trade with loss, your balance decrease. That is simple. But once a trade are open, another number become important. When you open a trade, your profit or loss constantly changes as the market moves. This is called floating profit and loss, or unrealized profit and loss. Floating means the trade is still open. For example, you can open a trade and the market moves in your favor. Your account might show plus $20 floating profit. But if the market moves against you, it might also show minus $20 floating loss. This affects something very important in your account, which is called equity. Equity is the real-time value of your trading account. The formula is very simple. Account balance plus floating profit and loss equals to equity. For example, if you have a balance of $500 and your floating loss is minus $50, that means your equity is equal to $450. This number constantly changes while trades are open. And this number is extremely important because it determines how much margin you have left. Margin is the money set aside to keep a trade open. When you open a trade, your broker lock part of your fund as used margin. That money cannot be used to open other trades. The amount required depends on trade size, broker's rules, and leverage level. Margin is not a fee. It is simply a collateral for a trade. Used margin is the total amount of margin currently locked in open trades. For example, you open one trade requiring 50 margin. The used margin is going to equal to $50. And if you open another trade that is requiring you of $30 margin, it means the total used margin is going to become $80. The more trade you open, the more margin, and that reduces something that we call free margin. Free margin is the money still available to open new trades, and the formula is equity minus used margin is equals to free margin. If the equity in your account is $450, the used margin is equals to $100, then the free margin is going to be $350. If your free margin drops too low, you cannot open a new trade, and worse, you may receive a margin call. Margin level is one of the most important number in your trading account. It shows how healthy your account is, and the formula is equity divided by margin used multiplied by 100. Let's make an example. Equity is equals to $400 while used margin is $100. Definitely your margin level is going to be 400%. This is safe. If the losses grows, your margin level falls. If it drops too low, you get what they call margin call. A margin call happens when your account no longer has enough equity to support open trades. Your broker warns you that your account is in danger. Different brokers set different levels. Some issue margin calls when margin reaches 100%. This means your equity equals your used margin. If losses continues, your broker may start closing your trade automatically. A stop out level is when your broker automatically close your trade to prevent your account from going negative. Another example, margin call level 100%, stop out level 50%. If your margin level falls below 50%, your broker starts closing your losing trade automatically. This protects the broker from losing money. Many beginners start trading with $100. They open larger trade using leverage. One bad move, the account is wiped off. Why? Because small accounts only have little margin protection. That is why understanding margin is so important. Margin and leverage are related, but they are not the same. Leverage increases your trading power, while margin is the deposit required to use that leverage. For example, leverage 1:100 means you can control $100 for every $1. But misuse of leverage is one of the biggest reasons traders fail. Use it wisely and carefully. Here are the 5 ways to avoid margin calls. Use proper position sizing. Don't over leverage. Always use stop loss. Monitor your margin level. Avoid opening too many trades. Discipline protect your account. I cannot overemphasize on discipline, because with discipline you are going to be protecting your account. And now you understand how trading account actually work, and that knowledge can save you a lot of money. So therefore, if you missed the previous video in this Forex 101 series, make sure you go back and watch them, because as I'm saying, as I'm learning this step by step, I'm also sharing the knowledge with all my viewers that is watching my videos. Foundation first, then strategy later. And that is why you see me that I'm doing these short videos, so that a layman person can understand what Forex is. You will not be seeing Forex and believing that Forex is not something that you cannot understand. Take your time to watch all these series one by one. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section, because I will be here to answer all your questions as well. And I would love to know where you are watching me from as well. And again, if you are new to Forex and you really want to learn this Forex and you want to go deeper, join my WhatsApp group. The link is going to be in the description. That is a place where we are a group of people where we are holding our hands accountable in this business of Forex. Okay, the link will be what? It will be in the description. If this video has helped you to understand the margin trading, like the video, subscribe if you want to learn Forex trading the right way. And I will see you in the next episode of Forex 101. Bye. But remember, knowledge first and profit later.